Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud and AI Analytics. Hope everyone is doing good. I'm Vignesh, and in this video we are going to discuss what are the different ways to access Cloud BigQuery inside Google Cloud Platform. So this is today's topic, and without any delay, let's get started. Google Cloud Platform offers variety of ways to access and interact with your data which is present inside BigQuery. And the first one is Google Cloud Console, basically web UI. If you are a data analyst, business analyst, or in general you are someone who is good in SQL and you wanted to extract meaningful insights from the data or to understand the data, this is the ready-made option available inside Google Cloud Platform. And inside BigQuery we have BigQuery Studio, where you will be able to write your complex SQL queries and get meaningful insights or basically understand your data. And I have a separate video on explaining what is BigQuery Studio. Next to this, if you are someone who's comfortable with command line tool, that is CLI, then you will be able to use gcloud, or BigQuery has its own command line tool, that is BQ. And in this playlist we'll be discussing a lot about BQ command line tool as well. And next to this, if you are someone who loves coding, basically you will be comfortable in a popular programming languages like Python, Java, Node.js, Go, PHP, Ruby, etc. So if you're good in those languages, you will be able to use that, connect with BigQuery and understand what the data is all about. And the next option is, if you're someone who's not good in SQL and you don't know how to work with command line tool and you're not comfortable with any programming languages, even if that is the case, then there is another option, that is using BigQuery REST API. So basically you have to frame HTTP request and you will be able to understand what the data is all about. So apart from this, we have other ways as well, like using GUI SQL editors like Looker, AppSmith, Retool, Cognity, SuperQuery, PopSQL, Zinc Data, and if you want, you can connect with BigQuery BI engine, and you will be able to connect with Google Sheets as well. And also you will be able to use BigQuery connectors using Apache Beam, Apache Spark, Apache Kafka, Informatica, and also you will be able to use Jupyter notebooks. Like inside Google Cloud Platform, BigQuery offers Jupyter notebooks and Google Colab Enterprise as well. Apart from this, you will be able to interact with BigQuery using Terraform, where you will be able to create the resources, and also using Google Apps Script. So these are the wide varieties of options where you will be able to connect with BigQuery. Even you can use JDBC, ODBC drivers as well. So this is the theoretical part. Now I'll show you inside console as well. So this is the console of Cloud BigQuery, and here you can see this studio. This is where you will be able to write your SQL queries. So apart from this, here you can see Python notebooks, data canvas. If you come down, you will be able to find this Colab demo notebook. So this is nothing but BigQuery data frames you will be able to create. Apart from this, if you want, you can just click on the SQL query and run drop down. You will be able to find this PySpark procedures as well. And next to this, if you just go to add, and here you will be able to find this data flow template and PubSub data stream. So there are various ways you will be able to connect with Cloud BigQuery. And in this playlist, we will be spending good amount of time with this BigQuery Studio and also using command line tool, that is BQ. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please post that in the comment section. I'll take a look at it and reply to it as soon as possible. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to Cloud and AI Analytics. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Vignesh. Happy learning.